We see that patients who are going through fever, especially considering this particular time period when we are going through the challenges of pandemic and many people going through this viral fevers, undifferentiated viral fevers and flu symptoms, we find that people resort to intake of their usual food, and only the modification which we make for fever is that people take bread, rusk, etc., or instead of using oily food stuff they use idli or steam cooked food. But this is not the right way to use food, especially when going through the symptoms of fever, or even after the temperature has normalized for 1 or 2 days. Some restriction is recommended before resorting to normal food style. Light diet, easily digestible food should be given to people who are suffering from fever or who have relieved from fever, and this food has to be taken in the evening, not in the morning. Ayurveda recommends fasting. We say Langanam Paramoshadam in Sanskrit, which means initially when person has no interest for food and completely the digestion is put off and the person is suffering from body pain and other symptoms like headache, cold, nasal block, rise of temperature, etc., fasting is recommended. Once such symptoms have subsided, if there is little increase of appetite, then people should go for kanji or gruel, and that gruel has to be prepared from red rice, which is harvested in 60 days, or boiled rice, which is more than a year old. Because these rice varieties are easy to digest and they are specifically mentioned in the context of people who have just recovered or on the verge of getting relieved from fever. Why in the evening time? Because the digestion is better during the evenings before sunset, and early morning there is always threat of getting affected by kapha. So without the recovery of digestion, if people resort to intake of food articles like bread, which they assume that it is light to digest, in normal during normal days when the digestion is good, of course bread is easy to digest and people get their hunger within few hours, or some people within few minutes they feel that they are hungry again. But bread as such is not a light food, especially in the context of fever. In Ayurveda, it is called as Pishtana, Avishyandi. Bread is prepared by using processed or refined wheat or whole wheat, whatever it is. But the process of preparation, the additives, all these indicate that it is heavy to digest food, and such heavy food is not recommended. Need not emphasize the properties of rusk, because though it is dry to consume, actually it is also heavy to digest during fever. And food like idli, though they are light to digest during normal days, they are not recommended in this condition because it also contains urad dal or black gram. Black gram is heavy to digest and it is an abhishyandi. Abhishyandi means something which is having lot of the tendency to cause adhesion or coating in our body channels. That is called abhishyandi. And this people who experience sluggishness or dullness or drowsiness after taking food which is containing more of urad dal or black gram is because of this abhishyandi nature or heaviness of this urad dal. And now we can understand why it is not recommended during fever or even during the recovery phase of fever. Kanji preparation is something which is to be discussed separately because the preparation varies based on the condition. For fever, the usual method followed is one part of the rice which is recommended, that is old Shastika or 60 days harvested rice or old boiled rice, and 4 times of water which we use for preparing kanji. That is the usual way we prepare kanji, but for fever we need to make few modifications which we'll be seeing in the next video. The main objective of this video is to create awareness about the importance of choosing the right food while getting recovered from fever. In case you have any queries, kindly post your comments in the comment box. I am Dr. M. Harikrishnan from Sri Rajashamala Ayush Vaidyashala. I can be contacted on 73977 29702. Thank you.